Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So I want to say something about the NZDCAD because as you can see guys, I'm sure that a lot of you are not so happy with the deal of the days of this week because many of them actually we had to close in small loss, including the NZDCAD itself. But as you can see, the market has reversed in total of 55 pips and now currently running in 20 pips of profit. But unfortunately, I have sent an update to close this signal in 33 pips of loss. A decision that I actually regret right now because the market now has finally went into the good profit. Now, actually, I want to show you something interesting here. That is, guys, my strategy. Look at that. The reversal has occurred exactly on the buy level. And as you can see, the market has reversed till the market reached the nearest resistance to our entry and then went back. Now, that is the reason I'm actually a scalper and I'm telling everyone to be to use actually scalping strategy. So as you can see, that is exactly my strategy. Just enter here at the new buy at the new support level and exit your trade at the nearest resistance. That was actually a reversal for about 56 pips. Before finally falls back again, and as we can see, what happened has happened. Let's just forget about this trade and let's now move to the new deal of the day and let's move to the Euro AUD. Now the Euro AUD here showing us something very interesting. Let's first of all guys separate these levels on the daily chart from real level of a resistance to the fake breakouts. So as we can see right here, we had a real level of a resistance, another one at the bracket of 1.65260. Then we had right here another real level of the resistance, and finally we had right here a fake breakout. Now that fake breakout here is very important. It tells us that the market was actually unable to make a bullish breakout from that long-term resistance right here at the bracket of 1.65260. Now also yesterday, the market actually closed as a strong bullish engulfing candle, but what happened later for today is actually a strong bearish movement. Indicates that the market is indeed unable to make a bullish breakout from that level of resistance, and most likely is going to continue the fall till it reach that level of a previous support right here at 1.62938. That means that we can actually consider selling the Euro AUD today. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, what I want to do is simply highlight the real level of the resistance, which was right here, the peak of the resistance, the higher high, all the way right here to these two attempts of resistance trend line. Check this out. Let me just scroll to the left to show it to you and remove this one. Now, as you can see, we are having here a strong real level of a resistance trend line from this higher high all the way to that lower high resistance trend line, another lower high resistance trend line. Then finally we had right here that fake breakout, but actually it's not really a fake breakout because right here in the middle we had also a support trend line. Now most likely if the market is going to continue the rise right here, it will most likely also be respecting those levels of resistance trend lines, and afterwards the market is going to continue the fall. Hopefully after seeing this strong bearish movement right here, we can start selling the Euro AUD on that level. And if we look at the left side right now, we can confirm that this was indeed a strong key level of a resistance as well. Right here, of course, we had this real level of a resistance, which was also a real level of the resistance in the past as well. And it was also the nearest support to our current price, which means selling at 1.64550 is going to be good, and then keep the trade running till the market reach the nearest support right here at 1.62938. That means that we are actually aiming 157 pips of profit. Now that might actually be quite a lot. Therefore, let me just reduce the take profit level to be just right there, exactly right here, at the nearest resistance right here. So that means that we're actually aiming 110 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the stop loss is going to be almost half of it for about, I would say, let's make it the half. Yes, just like that. That should be fine. Yeah, 68 pips of stop loss should be fine. Let me now write the signal for you. Okay, now I want to say something, guys, and I know you don't like to hear it, but actually I have to say it. We have received number of hateful messages regarding the NZDCAD. Now, you have to understand, I'm here doing the best I can, and I'm sure 99% of you guys are agreeing with me, and you know very well the high winning ratio that I have on my signals, but there is always that 1% which cannot really understand Forex market. We cannot predict the right direction every single day. Some days will be bad and many other days will be good. And for that reason, you have to be always responsible for your trades. You have heard for sure a lot about extreme trader signals, that they have a high winning ratio, but that doesn't mean at all that you can put all your eggs in one basket and just enter one trade being sure that since it's coming from extreme trader, it means it's gonna be in profit. No, this is completely wrong. It doesn't work this way. You have to be always careful about your funds. We are just analyzing the market and just hoping for the best and hoping that the market will go as we are predicting. So for that, be responsible, please, for your entering this trade. You can enter it in demo account. You can enter it in a very small lot size. It's really up to you. But again, remember that you are responsible for this trade. All I'm doing right here is just analyzing the market in my strategy or my style, and I'm doing the best I can to provide you guys with these signals. Anyway, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.